Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this short video, I'm going to tell you how to set up your Nintendo Wii Fit. Basically, this setup is very simple, and let me tell you all about how we can set up this and then how to play this. We need the following equipment. We need to have this controller. This is a wireless controller for Nintendo Wii. We need to have an infrared sensor bar for this. Here you can see these sensors, they can be seen. They are working basically infrared sensors. You also need to have a Nintendo Wii console, which is this one, and you also need to have a CD of Wii Fit, which I inserted into this. This is the power on button for Nintendo Wii Fit. This is the reset button, and this red button is basically to turn on or to sync the controller or the Wii board. In the controller, if the controller is not working, there is a red button. After you put cells into it, you have to press this button and this button, then they will automatically connect to each other. And this is same for the Nintendo Wii board. Then what you have to do is you need to adjust or you need to connect these wires. So let me show you from the back side. So here you can see I have attached all the wires. This wire is from the power, this is from the sensor, and this is the audio video wire. Now this wire is being connected to the LCD and the source is selected, and then you need to create a profile. And lastly, we are also using a Nintendo balance board which is connected with this. So there are 4 cells that you need to insert over here, and there is also a red button that you need to press if your balance board is not connected to your Nintendo. So it should turn on like this. So right now I'll demonstrate how you can play different games on it. For example, currently we want to test the balance game. So I've turned on the balance game. One of the balance game is this heading. This is to play football, and we can set the difficulty level and we can click start. I want you to please step onto it. So here you can see we can just click the continue. Now I want you to see how it is played. So the moment he is turning to right, the character into the screen moves right, and the moment he turns to the left, the character moves to the left. So he's heading the balls that are coming. So this is one of the way you can proactively improve the balance of your patients. You can also do this at your home, and it is one of the best training that is available in relatively low cost. That is very easy to perform, that is very easy to play. You can see the scores. It's a very short game and it's not very costly. Similarly, we do have other games and other features available in Nintendo. So once it's finished, we can see the score, as well as we can move to the next game. So let's try another game. So we can either quit or we can retry. If you want to go to the menu, we can quit this game and we can go back, and we can now go for aerobic exercises. If we want to go for aerobic exercises, for example, this is step basic. If you want to develop a sense of rhythm, so here you can see Make sure there is enough space around you and be careful with your footing. Next, start. Please step off the V balance board first. Okay. Okay, now start with your right foot. Now, okay, left foot, okay, down. Okay, so that's how you play this game. Good. So here you can see. So that helps your patients or your kid to take steps forward and backward. So similarly, there are a lot of games. So one by one, if I keep on showing you, it will take forever, but I suggest you use this and make use of these games to improve your patients and to improve your children. If you have any child or anyone at home that is suffering from cerebral palsy or any other condition, do try these. These are very good. And if you have any other questions, do let me know. Thank you very much.